How to delete Instagram account permanently in iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can permanently delete our Instagram account on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to permanently delete our Instagram account on iPhone, open up the Instagram app and tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then from here you simply want to go to the option called Account Center. From here look for the option called Personal Details, and from Personal Details go to Account Ownership and Control. From Account Ownership and Control go to the option called Deactivation and Deletion and select the Instagram account from here. Once you select the Instagram account from there, you have to select the option called Delete Account because Deactivate will get selected by default. So once you select Delete Account, just hit the Continue button here. Select a reason as to why you want to delete your Instagram account, and once done, final step is that you have to enter your Instagram account password and tap on Continue, and Instagram account will get successfully deleted. This way you'll be able to delete your Instagram account permanently on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.